All right, so let's begin just by looking at the assignment for essay number 2, language habit critique. So the formal assignment asks, in 2,500 words of MLA format, integrating ideas from at least 3 course readings and course vocabulary, describe and evaluate the language habits of a familiar speech community. Persuasively define the term speech community by explaining and responding to ideas about social reality and linguistic determinism. Interpret, analyze, and evaluate language habits or patterns of the chosen speech community. Use your essay to agree with, refute, qualify, or extend the idea of linguistic determinism or linguistic relativism, and to advocate for changes and corrections, changes and corrections, or increased appreciation and expansion of the language habits that you analyze. So in general, for this assignment, you're going to choose a speech community, which we will talk about later in the overview, and try and list and observe and collect a bunch of examples of speech habits that speech community uses. And we'll talk about what kind of language habits to look at in a minute too. So with all of that data that you collect, you're going to sort of try and interpret and analyze how might these language habits shape or be shaped by the worldview or the outlook of this specific speech community. So please share any questions that you have about just the assignment overview, any of those first ideas that are popping out, like what speech community might you use, what language habits might you be familiar with already. So please share any of those initial ideas in your replies below here.